Hello, welcome back to Keeping Up with the Queen. My name is Lam. I'm so excited today. I have been using this product for a while and I feel like I have enough knowledge and experience with it to give you a full review today. And that is the YSL Perfume set. Libre Montpellier Black Opium. It comes in such a nice packaging. So these are all 10 milliliters sample size, good enough size to try out the perfumes, but also small enough to take with me everywhere I go. I can put this in my travel bag. So the packaging is like this. It was prettier, but I open it and it's been a while. Retailing for $52.50, but I believe I got this for like in the 30 to 40 range. I think it was 50% off. I wouldn't spend a lot of money on perfumes nowadays because I have so many that I'm still trying to work through. You like to try out perfumes, but you don't want to break the bank, break your wallet. We're on the same boat. I will give you the rundown of these three. We'll spray them together, talk about the experience, and at the end I will let you know if this is worth splurging for. Because you get to try three, that's why I thought it was a good deal. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification button so you never miss out on these types of video. Make sure you give this video a like as well. And with that said, let's get started. Do the products work? It's what I'm here for. This is Libre and it means freedom in English. And this is a 10 milliliters. Okay, let's see online. So regularly a full size of this is like 1 ounce and it's $95. Let's see, I'm on Sephora. It has lavender, orange blossom, and musk accord as the main notes. It is described as a bold floral perfume for women, or anyone really, where French lavender essence combines with sensual Moroccan orange blossom and daring musk accord to create a unique, long-lasting perfume. This is the most unique one out of the three, I have to say. I've never had anything like this. So let me spray it. Right out of the bottle, warm is sweet. In the description it says bold, but I wouldn't say this is bold. I think it's pretty toned down. It's very pleasing and soft in my experience with perfumes in my collection. Kind of clean, but definitely not too musky. Sweet and floral is still the front and center. This perfume is supposed to be freeing, for the people out there who like to stay out of the box. I smell the uniqueness, I smell the warmth and strength of it, but I don't smell something that is super bold or something that is super out there. This is a pleasing, universally flattering note combination. Projection is decent. I would say it's medium. It's more of a personal perfume, so once you get close to someone, you will be able to smell it. Goes for 5 to 6 hours and then it's super light skin scent. And yet, I really do like this. It's the most unique perfumes in this set. This is something I would use every single day. More so in the colder days. Definitely evening. Dress up occasion. Sophistication, elegance at the same time as sweet and sensual. Next up, we have Montpellier. Definitely my most favorite packaging out of the three. Look how cute this bow is. This is an eau de parfum, so they're all the parfums. This is a fruity floral, so it's a playful version of Libre. Libre is like grown-up, sophisticated, evening. This is daytime, summer, spring. It can be used in the cooler months too. Key notes are datura flower, patchouli, and red berries. This is a sweet floral women's women fragrance with notes of red berries that are softened by the datura flower and accord by the woody scents of white musk blended beautifully together with patchouli to create a scent that is romantic in every way. It reflects the intense passion found in the city of love, Paris, unforgettable whirlwind journey. The feminine and floral perfume embodies desire and seduces the senses. Let's see if it seduces me today. Yes, I do like this a lot. I miss it. I haven't used it in a while. My most use out of the three are definitely Black Opium, just because I've been eyeing that perfume for a long time. But I do like this. Okay, so Libra, now that I have it on for a while, this arm is turning a lot more musky. Now I can tell that Monk Perry has more fruits in it. I can sense some berries, very sweet berries, patchouli for sure, some kind of flower. It must be the two. It's not super strong, about the same as Libra. It's not gonna have a super big projection and lasting power, but it will stay on for 4 to 5 hours. I feel like it doesn't have much base to hold it, to hold the strength towards the end of the wear experience. So at first it is very nice. Then after a few minutes, it's really softened off a lot and becomes more of an intimate skin scent again that you have to get close to the person to smell it. Libra, I haven't smelled anything like this. This one, I have smelled something like this before. It does remind me of La Vie Belle by Lancome, not as strong. So if you feel like La Vie Belle is too strong, this one is a good alternative because it's lighter. But since I have La Vie Belle and I love the strength of that one, I love the punch of it and the warmth that it gives me, it always makes me feel so cozy. This one does not get it quite to that level. In my heart, it's not as high up in the ranking, you know what I mean? But the packaging is definitely on point with that one too. It also has a bow. So yeah, definitely if you have this, let me know your thoughts on this comparing with the Lancome alternative. Also, Montpellier has some green notes in there. I definitely not only smelling the flower but the leaves and the greeneries, the grassy area around it as well. I do like it. But I just realized that each of these, if you buy them individually, it would be $35. So combined is a great deal. Let me get into Black Opium. This has been out for a long time. It's a lot of people's holy grail perfumes, and I know that. I just have not had the chance to own it and experience it on by myself. And finally we're here. So it is in the category of warm and spicy perfume and is a sweet gourmand kind of style. Of course, black coffee, white flowers, and vanilla. Literally the perfect combo that I've ever heard. I love the smell of coffee. White flowers, of course, gardenia, jasmine, things like that I love as well. And then vanilla. Who doesn't like vanilla? It's in ice cream, cakes, everything that we love. So this is a seductively intoxicating fragrance with opening notes of adrenaline-rich coffee and sweet vanilla that reclined into the softness of white flowers for a young and modern scent. It has strong scent of coffee and captivates the senses with a sweet vanilla base and a burst of floral at the heart. There we have it. Let's spray it on. I am running out of surface, so we're gonna spray it on to the packaging. Oh yeah, let's do it again. So immediately coffee. You know, like those instant coffee that already has vanilla powder in it that you can just put in hot water and it smells like sweet vanilla coffee. Actually, that's really the fun experience of it. The rest of it is just white flowers at the heart of it and vanilla at the base. So after a little bit, the fun experience that you're having with the coffee will be gone and you'll be left with just a tiny bit of coffee, but it turns more into the sweet, vanilla scent. There's not much flowers. I think it's because we just smell a bunch of flowers with Montpellier, so this one clearly is not like that. Surprisingly, this perfume is the weakest as far as projection and longevity, unfortunately, because as much as I love the opening experience, the opening notes of coffee, it dissipates very quickly, and then after that, it becomes a medium, not even a medium, a soft perfume that is sweet and white floral. So not really much to hold on to your skin or your clothes to create that long lasting experience there. It's just going to linger for a bit, and then after like 3 or 4 hours, if you want the black opium experience again, you're gonna have to reapply, which I'm happy to do so because of the bottle. It's so easy to bring everywhere. Something I noticed with this set is that all the scents are very mild. They are not bold like they claim to be. Even with the Libre, which is the boldest in the three, is not super bold compared to my other fragrances that are also designer fragrance, like La Vie Belle, that's super punchy. We also have Tom Ford, that's always strong. Those are some of the brands that I love. Of course, Chanel perfumes are also intense, Dior. That's something I noticed with these, are that they are very mild. They're universally flattering. And I've noticed that with my friends as well. They are not big fans of strong perfumes or very strongly scented products. Some people are even allergic to strong perfumes. So I get that they're trying to cater towards everyone here, and definitely if you have someone in your life who is new to perfume, trying to get into the perfume world, this is definitely a nice gift set for them because it has all three of YSL's most famous perfumes in one place, and they get to try it out and they get to put some mini size perfumes in their collection and growing their collection. So that's very nice. And if you're a fan of YSL, if you haven't tried these perfumes and you want to dip your toes into the YSL world, this is a good way to do that as well, because it doesn't break the bank as much as buying each of these individually, right? But then if you're not a big fan of sweet scents, gourmand scents, floral scents, you're not gonna like this because it's mostly warm and sweet and floral. I think for the spring and summer and fall, they're gonna be great during the day too. Even some of these scents are meant to use during nighttime because they're more sweet and spicy. Totally can be used all day long because they're pretty light. If you try these out, what do you think? Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, please don't flop.